Hire a part-time trainer. Steve here with the Janitorial Store, the channel where we have systems and controls for cleaning business owners to scale their businesses. You may be saying, Steve, I can't afford to hire a part-time trainer. So let me ask you this. Can you afford to continue to lose clients and get complaints? So when you start looking at that and you think, well, okay, well, you're getting complaints and you're losing clients because quality control is not being done, meaning that nobody's following up on the job that everybody's doing. So if you've been hiring new people, having turnover, and you're not really taking the time to train them properly, and when I say properly, I mean that you actually got a documented training system that you use in your cleaning company, meaning that when you hire a new person, that they're going to go through a 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, or a 1 month training program to ensure that they understand exactly the level of performances that is expected of them and the quality of work that they need to put out. So, you know, the thing is with that is that it's so important because, like I said, the alternative is that we're going to lose clients. You know, I've seen this hundreds and hundreds of times because cleaning business owners don't want to spend the money to train their people, and then they lose accounts. You know, here's one, many of them have said this, well, you know, why should I train them when they're not going to be around? Well, first of all, that's the bad attitude to have. You know, you're already setting yourself up for failure and them for failure. That's not an attitude to have. So you got to change that mindset. You know, we're here to train people to do the quality work that's expected of us, that we had told the client that we're going to perform at such and such a level. So in order to do that, we have to train people. So when we hire a new person, they come on board, we take them through our documented training system. Now our system's 2 weeks long. So, you know, we take them through every aspect of cleaning, all the basics of cleaning. Vacuuming, mopping, dusting, restrooms, you know, we do it all, and we do it step by step. And the thing is by the time that we're done with our 2 week training, people know exactly how to clean very well. They know how to clean efficiently, and everybody benefits. So when I say hire a part-time trainer, you might consider that, because if you don't have time to train them, and the 1 or 2 employees that you currently have aren't training them, well, we need somebody to train our new employees. So take the time to invest in a part-time cleaner, or a part-time trainer, and have those people, you know, have them working 12 hours a week, 15 hours a week, and just concentrating on training. And when they're not training, have them do quality control. Because again, if you're not training and you're not doing quality control and nobody else is doing it, well, that's why we're getting complaints from our clients, and that's why we're losing clients. And really, it's unacceptable. It's so simple to do. We all should be doing it, but all of us don't. So, again, you know, keep that in mind. It's a trade-off. Either you hire a part-time trainer or you lose clients. Which one really costs you more? If you do the math, you're going to know exactly what that answer is. So, like I say, hire a part-time trainer, have them work, you know, 15 hours a week, and when they are not training somebody, then have them do quality control. The quality control aspect of it is that they're going to go through and check everybody's work. And you may have an app that you're using now, or you may be doing it on paper. You know, either way is fine as long as you're doing it, because that's the worst thing you can do is not be doing quality control for your team. And that's how we make sure that the quality of performance is up where it should be, because of the way that we had trained everybody. They're going to be maintaining that level of appearance and so on and so forth. So that's why it's important. Like I say, if you hire that part-time trainer, have them when they're not training to do quality control, and make them responsible for getting in these quality control checks on a regular basis. So, you know, again, if you think you don't have time to hire or can't afford to hire a part-time trainer, then think about how many clients you can afford to lose, and you'll know what to do. But you know, the thing is that the Janitorial Store has a wealth of training programs on its site. So does My House Cleaning Biz. You know, and now you can join as a member, as a premium member. You have access to these programs, And in fact, as a premium member, you have access to Clean Smart University, and then you have Clean and Biz Library, which we have over 8,000 training videos on there. So you can't go wrong by joining the Janitorial Store or My House Cleaning Biz and developing your training system. And in fact, most of that work's already done when you join as a member, as a premium member. So you got to do these things, or you continue to lose clients. Well, hopefully you got some ideas from this, and hopefully it's made you stop and think that if you think that it's not worth your time to train employees, well, what costs you more? Continually getting new employees or finding new clients? And typically the reason why if you're not training, you're losing clients, that's costing you a lot of money, let alone your reputation. So if you got anything from this, go ahead and click on the like button down below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on that subscribe button, and you'll continue to learn much more on how to build a successful cleaning business. So until then, let's keep it clean out there.